Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I am wearing this super sweet and really pretty necklace from HotMixCold, and I'm absolutely in love with it. The necklace is a double strand silver necklace, but if you're not a fan of silver, they have lots of different options so that you can completely customize this necklace and make it look how you want. Once I was in touch with the seller, I was able to customize what font I wanted, as well as what I wanted engraved on each of the pieces on this necklace. You can see that there's two dainty circles. They are absolutely so pretty. They included a little cloth so that you can clean it, but the silver is the shiny kind. And again, I am really in love with how it looks. This brings such a feminine touch to different outfits, and you can really wear it with whatever you would like, whether it's dressing up or for casual days at home. I really like that the necklace is easy to put on, and because it's double strand, you will find that it does twist up sometimes, but I simply take it off and let it unravel itself, and then it's good to go and put back on. If you're looking for a really cute gift for someone or a gift for yourself, I would highly recommend this necklace. It is so pretty. I'm really pleased with it, and I love how it looks with everything that I wear it with. But that's just my point of view.